Step into the transformative world of Adani Digital Labs. And one name resonates: Nitin Sethi. With an audacious vision, he's bridged the digital divide for a staggering 450 million consumers. That's awesome! From the revolutionary digital twin approach to pioneering loyalty transformations with Adani One, his strides in digital innovation are monumental. Nitin's endeavors emphasize not just digital acumen, but the spirit of purpose over profit. Now, please join us in celebrating this digital maestro, Nitin Sethi. We invite you to take center stage. To our audience, let your applause echo his resounding impact on India's digital journey. Nitin Sethi has also been recognized at many trusted forums. He also makes the score for the first individual to score a hat-trick with this honor. His first as a DMA Marketing influencer in 2019 during his stint at Indigo. Then as a DMA Trailblazer in 2021. And now scoring a hat-trick with this win. Well done, Nitin. You are right for the Program Council role for the next edition.